So I was talking about care of the newborn pups. So care has to be taken regarding the newborns. जैसे हमने काफ की बात की थी, you have to remove the mucus, you have to take care about this respiration, and then thermoregulation is very important in case of newborn pups. So one important वो सब same है. Regarding this care of newborn after 1 week or so, पोस्ट केयर जो है उसमें क्या है कि द क्लॉज द नेल्स ऑफ द पप्स आर वेरी शार्प एंड दे ग्रो वेरी क्विकली. So you need to trim the claws of the pups almost every week. क्योंकि क्या होता है, when the pups are suckling, they just try to hold the teats with their claws, and if the claw with their forelimbs, paws you can say. So if there are sharp claws, it will injure the teeth of the bitch, and because bitch will feel the pain, so chances are there that it will bite, either it will bite the pups or it won't allow them to suckle. So as to avoid this problem, to avoid injury and irritability to the bitch, you need to trim the claws of the pup रेगुलरली. एंड जैसे जैसे पप बड़ा होता है वैसे वैसे आप उसकी डीवर्मिंग और वैक्सीनेशन शेड्यूल हैज टू बी फॉलोड वेरी स्ट्रिक्टली. सो नेक्स्ट कमिंग टू द कैट्स में और bitches में, या you can say in case of canine or feline species, the care of the newborn as well as the mother, they are almost same. So queens will seek a suitable nesting area which has to be quiet and undisturbed. They are very secretive kind of species, you can say. Secretive kind of creatures. So they'll seek nesting area, और generally पता नहीं चलता है, या generally वो पता नहीं चलने देती हैं कि वो अपना नेस्ट कहाँ पे बना रही हैं. अगर घर पे भी हैं तो obviously अगर आपने confinement में रखा है तो then you can obviously understand कि कहाँ पे क्या है इसका. कहाँ पे है क्वीन. So otherwise generally queens are very secretive kind of creatures. So when this kittening has to occur, there will be development of mammary glands which will be noticeable obviously, and during first stage of labor queen becomes restless and it will start frequently visiting the nesting area because it will be preparing itself for kittening and to deliver the kittens. वो बार बार नेस्टिंग एरिया की तरफ जाएगी and there will be frequent licking of the vulvar area and panting like in case of bitches. Kittens are usually born after a short period of abdominal straining. They are generally born very easily without much effort. So first kitten will be followed by the birth of second kitten, and placenta will be shed accordingly. Or in case of queen as well, जैसे जैसे birth होता है kittens का, so the animal will lick the newborns, and साथ साथ में it will this eat up the placenta while licking the newborns. And the care of kittens more or less is very similar to that of pups. आपको प्रॉपरली उनके क्लॉज को ट्रिम करना है, और उसके बाद में आपको प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन एंड डीवर्मिंग शेड्यूल फॉलो करना है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. इससे ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं.